Alright, this presentation has to do with entering notes using speedy entry, notes that have a complexity of 2 voicings. So just to help you to see, I'm continuing with I vow to thee my country, and we're putting in some more notes. I'm using the scroll view. Alright, so let's continue. I'm in this bar here. Good. Alright, now as you're viewing it, some of the stems should be up. So to flip it, we use the L, turns it upward, alright, and we jump to the next measure. Doing the same thing again, putting in the voice 2, so I change to V2. Alright. And after doing that, I have to flip the stem. Then I move to the next measure. And that's basically what life is going to be for the next couple bars, I believe. Alright. Two notes having the same. Is it? Okay. Scrap that thought, it's coming up later on. I have nothing to flip there. Right here, two notes having the same, two parts having the same note. Right, that's what I intended to say. Alright, let's flip this one. We have to now just maybe press 0, right? Remember I said if it is that you wanted to clear the screen, press 0. Now how it is that the stem that is turned up is actually the crotchet, right? And you will go to voice 2, turn that other stem down. Alright, so that's how it should look. Alright, so we got that next bar. Alright. And we're moving on. So I'm putting in the first line. Sometimes in this case, when you have two voicings, for me it's easy not to allow it to jump the measure. It's just one voice and then most times that's fine. Let's go back to this, and I'm going to put in the second voice right there. Then I move to the next measure. Alright, so basically this is how this goes. Wow, what did I do now? Sorry about that. Things happen at times. Oh, I'm almost off the screen. Let me just resize this so that everyone can see what it is that's happening. Alright, so part here. No, that note is wrong. I'll take it out after. Go here and then that's it. have some flipping to do. Alright, so I want to go in the next stuff there, so I just press the enter. And I'm transporting myself to the beginning, and I'm going to begin putting in the bass notes. And the voice 2 comes here. Wow. There we go. And another voice 2 here. Now we are back in voice 1, so it would have adjusted it right to the immediate right of the note. Don't worry about it, you just start entering the notes, it will give it the correct spacing as you would have seen. Right, and we're going along. Voice 2 comes again. It's done, so we go to continue. If I'm going too fast for you, it's possible for you to slow down the video or rewind, see some of the things that are happening. Here it readjusts it. As soon as you enter your notes, you'll be fine. It will reconfigure it. Alright, right here, the choice was not to use a second voicing, which could be done. They just decided to use a tie instead. The equal sign is what removes and enters a tie. It works more like an on and off button. Right? So I'm just going to show you, this could be written another way, obviously. And then both will sound the same. Right? But for whatever the composer's reason, decided to write it that way. So it's just to show you the various options of doing things. Alright. So I think we would have had a good experience just seeing a bunch of notes being typed in using various voices. So let's look at how it looks on the page view, and here we have it in page view. Let me get this over here on my workspace. Alright. So we will most definitely be coming back to the use of this item in a short while using another tool. Alright, so that was a speedy entry in practical use there.